Okay guys, job continuation on the cylinder head. I am checking now the freeload of the camshafts. Okay, I will start with the intake camshaft. I already checked the bearing clearance using the plastic gauge, so it's all okay, all good. I will start with the bigger bolts, 12 mil. I will tight it 22 Newton meters. Yep, 22. Then check the camshaft if it's moving. Yep, good. And then the small caps, it should be around 9 Newton meters, sorry, 9 Newton meters. Okay, Newton meters. Okay, it should turn smoothly. Yep. Yep, 22 Newton meters. Then check. Yeah, it turns freely, same as this one, exhaust. Yep. So I am satisfied that the camshaft intake and exhaust are turning smoothly. It has no issue on them. Yep. Okay, let's proceed the other job on the cylinder head. First you have to lubricate them. Lubricate the bulb tip, and then lubricate the lifter. Yep. Okay, so we are done with the intake lifters. Now next is the exhaust side. Number 7. Yeah, I'm just cleaning them with the brake cleaner one by one, so that you will not accidentally mix them up. So I wash them one by one. Then next, oil the valve tip, and then lube the lifter. Yes. Number 4. Okay, number 5. Number 7, 8. Number 8. Yeah. Okay, so basically that's it. Okay, so ngayon naikabit ko na yung cylinder head, but I did not show you the video, the whole process. But basically it's only a simple method of installing the cylinder head. You have to tighten the cylinder head bolts initially 70 Newton meters, and then plus 90 degrees final torque, and you should do it in sequence from middle outward. So i-assemble na natin ngayon yung mga camshaft. Okay, so bago ikabit yung camshaft, kailangan lagyan muna ng assembly lube. So we are starting on the exhaust side. Yep. Okay. Follow the arrow. This one here. It's a very small arrow. Okay, I will show it here. Hopefully you can see this small arrow here. That little arrow here, that's also the timing mark of the timing gear, camshaft gear. This one here, this marker should be aligned on that arrow. Number 5, make sure it is clean. Exhaust, oh sorry, the intake camshaft. Additional lubricant. You should be generous on the assembly lube. Then tighten them by hand. So I'll put the timing gear. This is a new timing gear. It is included inside the timing chain kit. And on the kit, it has also new BBT gear. There's a dowel here, and there's a location lug, whatever you call it. It's aligned to this dowel. It will not fit anyway if it is not in the right place. Yeah, it should be flush all the way before tightening the bolt, or else you will damage the new BBT gear. And make sure it is turning while it's still loose, like it can move freely like this, and then it's time to tighten them. But first I will check the rotation. They are rotate freely. Yep, all good. Okay, nice. Now it's time to tighten the camshaft gear. They are 54 Newton meters. You will be needing an adjustable wrench. To hold this timing gear. Then tight this cam. Yep. Yeah, 54 Newton meters. Then the exhaust side. Oh, I have to find a better position. Yes, same thing, 54 Newton meters. Okay, 54 Newton meters. 54. Okay. Double check. Always double check. Okay, good. And I will tighten now the camshaft bolts. 30 Newton meters on the 12 mil bolt. Yeah, 30. 30. On the camshaft, 10 millimeter bolt. These are 10 millimeter size head bolts, so they are 9 Newton meters. Okay, it has a new oil pump chain as well. Yeah, this is the old one and this is the new one. Okay. Check if they have the same length. Yep, good. Yeah, but the gears are still the old ones. Okay, so it's time to install it. Yeah, the oil pump gear in the crankshaft, it has marker here. Yeah, it has timing mark here. Yeah, it's not actually a timing mark, just so that you can place the chain will match. The chain will match here. You can see it in the video. It will match in here on this marker. The marker here, and it should match with the marker paint here on the chain. Yeah. You can see the paint mark. That's all the markers. Yeah, it has also marking here. And then this upper marker will match on that marker on the crankshaft gear. Okay. And also it has with the new tensioner guide as well. Just get the old spring and transfer it here. So the spring is positioned this way. End wheel, so should be 9 Newton meters. Now I will tighten the oil pump sprocket, but first align the hole here within the housing and insert it here. Yeah, so that you have access to stop the gear from turning. And then I will put some, or I will apply some thread locker assurance. Just in case it will not turn loose. So this is 30 Newton meters. Yep. Okay, 30. Okay, next the timing chain assembly. This is the new one. I can put some marking here so that you can I'll put some paint mark, yeah, so that you can see easily the timing marks alignment. And it has also a new timing gear. So the camshafts, are markers are on top, and then the timing marks here. It should be 9 links. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So they will align on these markings I put on initially. Yep, they are aligned on the paint mark, and then here hope you can see it in the video. This marker here will align on this marker. So I will turn the crankshaft now. Yes. So the marker here is aligned. And both markers here are also matched. Okay, yung timing chain guide. Yep, timing mark here. Yeah, these tensioner guides are new too as well. Put some lubricant on the on the pilot bolt. You can see it's not aligned, so just turn the camshaft. Yep. And then right here by hand. Yeah, make sure the timing chain won't jump off. Yep. And then here 30 Newton meters. And it has a new chain, like something like a chain stopper, so that when you are servicing the cylinder head, you can remove the chain, the gears and the chain, so it will not, this will not allow the chain to move from the timing gear. It's located here. Now the timing chain cover. Next. Okay, that's all for today. And then I just showed you the how to install the timing chain and the camshafts. So see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.